Just one of those nights again. Sakura falling like on red text. You said it's fine, but what's next? Lantern glow on empty streets. Your laugh still stuck on repeat. Friendship honey in your hair. Low-key wish you were still here. Two cities, same late night sky. You on that side, me on Wi-Fi. We don't talk, but I still feel you. In every song I play it too. Sakura and frangipani, drifting like it's meant to be. Different worlds, same energy, still living my memory. Sakura and frangipani, soft like lo-fi therapy. If I let the rain just speak, would it bring you back to me? Rain is different after dark. City lights and quiet hearts. Vinyl spins, no one calls. Your shadow dancing on my walls. Temple bells, late night trains. Some things never really change. We didn't say forever, but we thought it, didn't we? Maybe we were just a vibe. Right place, wrong timeline. Still I wouldn't rewind. I was never lost, just becoming. Lantern light in my memory, lotus roots in my soul. Two worlds inside of me, both made me whole. I've loved, I've almost, I've let go slow. Every season shaped the woman I know. Not too late, not too soon, just learning under the same moon. Between lanterns and lotus, I found my way. Not chasing forever, just living to die. Between lanterns and lotus, soft and true. Love I grew through. Rain turned into sunlight, silence into song. The girl who feared endings now feels strong. Tokyo whispers, Phnom Penh breeze, both beyond inside of me. I don't rush the future, I don't rewrite the past. Everything that touched me was meant to last.